simplify, use only positive exponents. So what I'm noticing here is that we have a 2, which is by itself. Nothing to do arithmetic-wise with that. So we have A in the numerator and denominator, B in the numerator and denominator, C in the numerator and denominator. And we know what we're supposed to do. If we have A to the M over A to the N, we are supposed to subtract the exponents, M minus N. So if I'm going to write this like this, 2 times A divided by A to the third, B to the fifth over B, C squared over C squared. And then apply this property 3 times. Right? This will be 2 A to the 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. B to the 5 minus 1, which is 4. And C to the 2 minus 2, which is 0. And some things I can simplify. A to the negative 2 has a negative exponent. Since I've got to use only positive exponents, what do I do with it? That will flip to the other side of the fraction. B to the fourth is good where it is. C to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. So that term actually is just 1. We don't even need to write it. So this is 2b to the fourth divided by a squared. Now, I will say that I would tell you that most people, when it comes to math, that you probably don't take a step and subtract a to the first over a to the third is a to the 1 minus 3, create a negative exponent, and then move it to the denominator. You probably recognize that here, since the higher power is in the denominator, you're going to do the subtraction 3 minus 1, and since you started it from the denominator, you know that it's going to end up in the denominator. You know, there's nothing wrong with doing it this way, create your negative exponent, but generally speaking, when you have something like x squared over x to the fifth, right, you would go immediately to 1 over x to the third, 5 minus 2, and leave the answer in the denominator. You don't need to say 2 minus 5 is negative 3 and then take another step to flip it.